Good morning, my peoples. I hope everybody is fine. This is Emmanuel. Today, I want us to look at a new lesson or a new topic, which is capacity, mass, time, and money. We are going to take all of them one after the other, but I want us to look at capacity first. Then, as time goes on, we look at mass, we look at time, and then we look at money. Now, by the time I end this lesson, you should be able to convert milliliters to liters and then liters to milliliters. So, my main objective over here is for you to be able to convert from liters to milliliters and then milliliters to liters. As I said, we are looking at the capacity aspect. And when you talk about capacity, what does it mean? We are saying that capacity refers to the amount an object holds or amount something holds. So, for example, you go to a market and you are going to buy rice. You say, I'm buying rice, 1 cup. The amount of rice that the cup holds is what we call capacity. Or the amount or the volume of oil a bottle holds is what we call capacity. So when you talk about capacity, we are referring to the amount that something holds or an object holds. That is good. Now, when we are dealing with capacity, okay, capacity deals with the amount something holds. And therefore, when we are measuring it, the unit we use to measure it is liters and milliliters. Now, liters is used to measure capacity in large quantities, whereby milliliters is used to measure volumes or capacity in small quantities. So therefore, we'll be looking at how to convert these liters to milliliters and how to convert milliliters to liters. Now, let's take note. Now, we are saying that 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. So therefore, if we take a thing of, let's say, oil, a container of oil, which is 1 liter, when we are measuring it in milliliters, we will get it in thousands. So 1,000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. So when we take, let's say, a bottle of petrol, which is 1 liter, and we want to measure it in milliliters, we will get thousands of the milliliters, which is only 1 liter. Now, liter is its SI unit or its symbol is L, whilst milliliters is ml. Now, let's take some few illustrations. Now, if, for example, I want to convert 2 liters into milliliters, what would be the answer? How would you convert 2 liters into milliliters? So, how many milliliters will make 2 liters? Now, we are saying that 1 liter, okay, 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. Therefore, 2 liters will be equal to how many milliliters? So I'll put question mark under the 1,000 milliliters, showing that if we have 2 liters, it will be how many milliliters? Now, what you have to do is to cross multiply. So we will have 2 times 1,000. That's 2 liters times the 1,000 milliliters all over 1, which will give us 1,000. 2 times 1,000, which will give us what? 2,000 milliliters over 1. We know that every number over 1 is the number itself, so therefore we get 2,000 milliliters. 2,000 milliliters. And so 2 liters will give you 2,000 milliliters. 2 liters will give you 2,000 milliliters. Let's take another illustration. Okay, so illustration 2. We are saying that convert 1.5 liters to milliliters. Convert 1.5 liters to milliliters. Now, we said that 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. Therefore, if 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters, how many liters will be 1.5 liters? How many milliliters will be 1.5 liters? And so you just cross multiply. So I say that 1 liter, if 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters, therefore 1.5 liters will be equal to what? So you just cross multiply, whereby 1.5 liters will multiply 1,000 milliliters and then over the 1 liter. So 1.5 liters times 1,000 milliliters, which will give you 1,500 milliliters over 1. And we all know that any number over 1 is the number itself. Therefore, 1.5 liters will give you 1,000 or 1,500 milliliters. Okay, taking the next illustration. We are saying that convert 3.6 liters to milliliters. Now, you take the same procedure or the same process. If 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters, therefore, 3.6 liters will give you how many milliliters? So, as I said, just cross multiply. When you arrange it, cross multiply. Now, when you cross multiply it, 3.6 liters will multiply 1,000 milliliters. All over what? 1 liter. Now, liter. 1 liter, that is the liter. The 1 liter will cancel the liter on the 3.6. So the liter at the denominator will cancel the liter at the numerator. And it will be left with milliliters, ml. Therefore, we'll have what? 3.6 times 1,000, which will give you 3,600 milliliters over 1. Any number over 1 is the number itself. Now, let's look at how to convert from milliliters to liters. Okay, so let's convert from milliliters to liters. Now, to convert from milliliters to liters, we take the same procedure. Let's take an illustration. That is, we are converting 3,200 milliliters to liters. Now, the solution is that if 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters, if 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters, then 3,200 milliliters will be equal to what? Or how many liters? So you see that I have put a question mark under the 1 liter. Now, when you do it this way, you cross multiply. Okay, you cross multiply. And so when you cross multiply, 3,200 will multiply 1 liter, and then will be over what? 1,000 milliliters. Now, when you arrange it this way, milliliters will cancel milliliters. 1 0 will cancel 1 0 at the 3,200, and another 0 will cancel another 0. You'll be left with 32 over 10 times 1 liter. Now, 32 over 10 times 1 liter. So 32 over 10. How many zeros? It's only 1 0. It's over 10, 1 0. So you move 1 times. So you move from behind the 2 1. So you see that the point is in between the 3 and the 2. So that will give you a 3.2 liters. The 1 liter is affecting the answer. And every number times 1 is the number itself. Now let's convert 7,600 milliliters to liters as well. Now, the same procedure. If 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters, then 7,600 milliliters will be equal to what? And so you cross multiply as I said. And so we have 7,600 milliliters times what? 1 liter over 1,000 milliliters. Now, milliliter will cancel milliliter. 0 will cancel 0. 0 will cancel 1 0. You'll be left with 76 over 10 times 1 liter. How many zeros? It's only 1 0. So you move 1 time, which will give you 7.6 liters. Now, here comes to the end of our lesson on capacity. We have not completed capacity. We have learned an aspect as to how to convert from milliliters to liters and vice versa. And so our next lesson, we'll learn how to add and subtract. But by then, wait, you do an assignment for me. So